Students, now in this session I will explain question number 4 of exercise 11.4. Now according to the question, there is one particular room is there whose length and breadth is given. Length is given 5.5 meter and breadth is given 4 meter. And all around the room there is a veranda is there, and the width of the veranda is given 2.25. Okay, that means the width of the veranda from all the sides all around the room is 2.25 meter. The first thing that you have to find out is the area of the veranda. Fine. So this part, this red portion which I have shaded, is a portion of the veranda. Okay, so you have to get the area of this. So same conception we have to keep, that is we have to subtract the area of the room from the outer rectangle. Fine. In that way we'll get the area of the veranda. Fine. Now again you see the length of the room is given 5.5 and the width of the room is given 4 meter. That is the inner rectangle length and breadth is given. So you have to get the area of the outer length of the outer rectangle. Okay, I hope you know how to do. We have to increase 2.25 from the right hand side also, and we have to increase 2.25 meter from left hand side also. That means we have to add 2.25 with 5.5, also this portion 2.25 with 5.5, so that we'll get this length. Similarly, if you add 2.25 from top and 2.25 from bottom with 4 meter, so we'll get the required breadth, external breadth of the rectangle, isn't it? So this is what we will do, as because what is the conception that this particular portion need to be subtracted from the outer rectangle to get this portion, this shaded portion. Okay, so we'll do the same thing, and once you get the area of the veranda, then we have to find the cost of cementing the floor. That means this part we have to cement it at the cost of what? Rupees 200 per meter square. And this is why we have to get the area of the veranda first. Okay, and then only we can get the cost. So let's get it. So the first thing that we'll do is we have to find the area of the room. So length of room is equals to 5.5 meter. Width of room is equals to 4 meter. So now area of room, we have to first write the formula, length into breadth, that is 5.5 meter into 4 meter. Okay, so answer would be 22 meter square if we multiply it. Okay, now this is the area of the room. Now we have to get the external length, that is length of room including veranda. That means we are including the width of the veranda with this, isn't it? So we'll write length of room including veranda. That is the length of the room was this 5.5, and how much we have to increase? 2.25 from right hand side and 2.25 from left hand side also. So we'll get the length of the room including the veranda. Okay, so 2.25 plus 2.25. So how much we are adding? 4.5, isn't it? So it will be 10 meter. Understood? Now similarly we'll get the width. Width of the room including veranda is what? With 4 we have to add 2.25 plus 2.25, isn't it? So the answer would be 4.5, 8.5 meter. Okay, now we'll get the area of the room including veranda. So area of the room including the veranda. That is again length into breadth. What is the new length? 10. And what is the breadth? 8.5 meter square. Now if you multiply it, you will get 85 meters square. Understood? Now how to get the area of veranda now? So area of veranda is what? 85 meters square minus 22 meters square. Okay, so how much we'll get? We'll get 363 meters square. Fine. Now we know the area of the veranda. Now what exactly we have to find now? What is the next thing? That is the cost of cementing the floor of veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square. That is the cost of 1 meter square is how much? Rupees 200. So therefore cost of, what is the area of the veranda? 63 meters square. So how much it would be? It would be more or less? Definitely more, because the cost of 1 meter square is 200. So the cost of 63 meters square would be what? Much more than 1 meter square. So just multiply this 63 into 2, it will be 12600. That is 12,600. It will cost you 12,600 rupees. So this is a solution of question number 4, students. Okay, so for this session you will only do one sum, that is question number 4, and I need to see that you all are doing the drawings also. Fine, it is must. Okay, thank you, stay happy and stay blessed.